Welcome back. In this video, I want to show you a quick exercise that's for people that are brand new to bar chords that I call the one finger bar. It's going to help build up some of that strength and flexibility to make it a little easier to make bar chords. Our ultimate goal here is not just to get a one finger bar so we get all 6 strings sounding good, but we want to be able to do it on most of the fretboard. We're going to start with just the high E string, going 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we're going to go all the way down to the 1 and then back up to the 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Making sure that all the notes sound clean. Easy enough, probably a little too much detail there, but the next step is to now do 2 strings, the B and the E string. And doing the same motion, going from 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 and so on. Get that 12, then go back down all the way to 1 and work your way up to the 5 again. You can probably guess what's next. 3 strings. We're going to do the G, the B, and the E. And we're going to try to keep it as clean as we can without getting any buzzes. If you get any buzzes, stop and clean it up before you move on. And so on. Continue to do this, adding 1 string at a time, making sure everything sounds good along the way. If it doesn't, stop and fix it. Otherwise, you're defeating the purpose. As you're adding strings, you're going to have to work on keeping that index finger nice and straight so that you're hugging the back of the fret. Now, if you're playing with heavier strings or a steel string acoustic guitar, it's going to be a bit harder and it's going to take a little bit more strength. But as you build that strength and flexibility, it's going to require less strength over time when you get really good at it. This exercise is going to take a lot of time, especially if you're brand new to bar chords. But if you just remember, if you're persistent and you practice often, you're going to get it. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you want to learn more guitar, subscribe. Just remember to have fun and happy practicing.